Hi there, this is Alistair from starting my Shopify store from scratch. In this video what we're looking at is the sales channels provided by Shopify. The sales channels extend beyond social media, allowing you to cross-sell your products from your Shopify store through to the various social media channels and as well as online marketplaces such as Amazon and eBay. As you know, Facebook has got a huge audience, over 2.5 billion. So this means that you can quickly grow your business and boost your sales. You can post on places such as Instagram, Facebook Messenger, and have a Facebook shop. Now within all of these places, you can then have your images with tags on them, so that people can buy directly from those platforms. So it's all seamless. There's no clicking out and going somewhere else. They can buy directly from the images and stories you upload to those platforms and buy directly from you right there and then. As you know, Amazon and eBay combined have millions and millions of people shopping every single day. Just like Facebook has so many people popping in to buy stuff every day or discover new stories, the same for Amazon and eBay. There are millions of people active on the platform every single day. So having your products not only on social media but on these two platforms too is a great way to grow your brand, grow your business, and make more and more sales, because your product will be in front of people that you would not normally have it in front of if you just ran advertising. I highly consider giving Shopify a try. You'll find a link in the description box below. Try them out for 14 days. Who knows, if you set up everything and do things properly, you could probably start making sales as soon as tomorrow. Why not give them a try? You never know what could happen. Find the link in the description box below. Give them a try. See if you like it. If not, go try something else. If you like the content we're creating, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell so that you know when we create new content for this channel. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to let me know what you think of the content by leaving a comment. Have a great day.